Hey guys, today we will try to understand the concept of percent yield. In that respect, we'll first understand the definitions of theoretical and actual yield, and finally we'll try to understand what is the reason for the differences, if any, and ultimately calculating the percent yield. So let's get on. First, the definitions. So what is actual yield? It is basically the amount of a specified pure product actually formed during any given reaction. So whenever a reaction happens, the product that we are able to isolate in its pure form, that is your actual yield. Then what is theoretical yield? Now, something as per the molar calculations, the amount of product that we must obtain, that we should have obtained if the reaction goes to completion. So theoretical yield is about reaction going to completion, and actual yield is what we should have got. Now, how do you calculate your percentage yield? You use the formula actual by theoretical into 100%. So that gives you the percentage of the yield. Now let us go ahead and try to do that from a problem. The question says that you have to calculate the percentage yield if there are 15.6 gram, if there's 15.6 gram of benzene which reacts with to give uh, 18 grams of C6H5NO2. So the first thing is you have to calculate mass, because the question is already giving you the mass. So 12 times 6, C6H6, right? So this reaction is already balanced. So we do not need to balance it any further. So 12 times 6, that's 72 plus 6. So 72 plus 6, you get 78. So this is 78 grams of benzene. HNO3, 1 hydrogen, 14 nitrogen, that's 15. 15 plus 16 times 3, that's 48. That makes 63. Now again C6H5NO2, so be careful here. So 72, that's carbon, 5, that's hydrogen, 14, that is nitrogen, and 32, that is oxygen. So if you do the total, you get around 123. Now you don't need to calculate for others. Basically you all needed was benzene and C6H5NO2. So I'm going to work with that ahead now. Now this question says that 78 grams of C6H6 should give you, unitary method, 123 grams. Now how much did we use? We used 15.6 gram. So 1 gram should have given you 123 upon 78. 15.6 gram should give you 123 upon 78 into 15.6. That equals around 24.6 grams. So this is your theoretical yield. That means this is what you should have got. But how much actually did you get? You got only 18 grams. Now we calculate finally the percentage yield. So the percentage yield was, you already know, actual by theoretical into 100. So what is your actual? 18. What should you have got? 24.6 multiplied by 100, which equals 73.2 percentage. So that is your percentage yield. So I hope this is clear to you. how we calculate the percent yield? We first find out the actual yield from the question itself, and then we calculate the theoretical yield by using the stoichiometric relations between the reactants and products, right? So I hope this helped, and take care.